Science in Sleeping, the sleepy history of the universe, from stardust to sleep. Welcome back to Science in Sleeping. I'm so glad you've chosen to spend this quiet, peaceful evening with me tonight. We're drifting together into a story that stretches across billions of years, a gentle journey through the sleepy history of the universe. I hope this story helps you drift off gently, or at least brings a sense of calm to your mind and body. Before we begin, I'd love to know where you're watching from and what time it is. Feel free to let the world around you fade away, knowing this is your time, a small, sacred space where curiosity and relaxation meet. You don't need to remember any of this. You don't need to follow along consciously. All you need to do is let your mind wander slowly, like a feather carried on a soft, cosmic breeze. Tonight, we will explore the universe from its first gentle stirrings to the quiet, majestic dance of galaxies. This isn't a story that demands your focus. It's a lullaby for your mind, where science meets serenity. Let's imagine the universe as it awakens from a long, silent slumber. Each star a sleepy note in a cosmic melody. Close your eyes, if you like. Feel your body sinking comfortably into your bed. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, in and out. As we begin to drift across space and time, imagine the darkness around you as the endless night sky, dotted with newborn stars that flicker softly like tiny lanterns. As we journey through these earliest moments, know that this is your time to unwind, to release the tension of your day. Each concept, each image, is meant to soothe as much as it teaches. We will glide slowly from the first sparks of stardust to the formation of galaxies, touching the quiet elegance of the universe in its most tranquil moments. Now settle in, get comfortable, and let your mind float freely. Imagine yourself cradled in the arms of space itself, where time stretches lazily and the stars blink slowly in a cosmic dance. Tonight, we will wander together through light years and nebulae. Through the gentle birth of worlds, let the story of the universe lull you, like a soft whisper against the night. And so, with each breath, let the cosmos open before you, a landscape of stars, dust, and quiet wonders. You are safe, you are calm, and you are ready to begin this sleepy cosmic journey. After the universe's first gentle stirrings, imagine a vast, silent expanse, almost completely dark, yet pregnant with potential. Tiny fluctuations in the cosmic fabric begin to grow, like soft ripples on a still, endless ocean. Within these ripples, clouds of hydrogen and helium slowly gather, drawn together by the quiet pull of gravity. They drift closer and closer, colliding and merging, until the first delicate glimmers of light appear, the very first stars beginning to burn. Picture each star as a tiny lantern flickering in the dark, their light soft and shy, casting gentle illumination on the surrounding clouds. These stars are not hurried or loud, they are patient and eternal, their births unfolding over millions of years. As you imagine them, feel your mind slow, your heartbeat softening, matching the calm rhythm of the universe itself. Some stars gather in small clusters, delicate families twinkling together, whispering their presence across the darkness. And as more stars form, the first galaxies emerge, graceful spirals and gentle ellipses stretching across space. You can almost hear the faint hum of their motion, a cosmic lullaby played across unimaginable distances. With each new star, the universe becomes richer, fuller, more alive, yet still profoundly peaceful. Imagine drifting slowly through a galaxy, floating past nebulae, glowing softly like colorful clouds, past stellar nurseries where new stars are just beginning to dream into existence. Let your mind wander among these celestial wonders, letting each image carry away tension, anxiety, and any restless thoughts. As galaxies gather and dance in their elegant orbits, notice the subtle beauty of their interactions. The quiet gravity between them draws them closer, forming clusters and superclusters, a slow, graceful choreography that has continued for billions of years. Each galaxy tells a story, a calm, measured tale of birth, growth, and balance. And as you listen to this story, you feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Each cosmic event a gentle nudge toward sleep. Now, imagine the light from the earliest stars traveling across space for millions of years before it reaches your eyes. Though these stars are far away, their warmth and energy connect to you, reminding you of the gentle continuity of the universe. In this moment, you are part of the cosmic rhythm, breathing in harmony with the stars. Your mind open, calm, and ready to drift deeper. And so, we linger in this serene galactic expanse, floating past clusters, nebulae, and quiet stellar nurseries. Each breath you take mirrors the patient pace of the cosmos, slow and unhurried. Your body melts further into your bed, your mind softens, and the universe itself seems to cradle you gently, inviting you to drift even further into rest. As the first galaxies settle into their gentle orbits, imagine clouds of gas and dust drifting slowly within them, the remnants of ancient stars, tiny particles of stardust, float lazily, waiting for the quiet touch of gravity to gather them together. Within these clouds, pockets of matter begin to collapse, forming dense, warm cores, the seeds of new stars. You can almost feel the patience of the universe as it arranges itself, each step calm and deliberate around these newborn stars. Swirling disks of gas and dust begin to form, spinning slowly, gracefully, like dancers in a cosmic ballet. Within these disks, particles collide softly, sticking together, forming larger clumps that will one day become planets. You may picture yourself gliding alongside these formations, a silent observer floating through gentle rings of stardust and gas. Some clumps grow massive, their gravity quietly pulling in more matter, shaping into spherical worlds. Each planet forms at its own pace, unique in size, color, and composition, some rocky and warm, perfect for imagining distant landscapes, others gaseous, shrouded in misty layers that glow faintly under the distant star. As you imagine these new worlds, feel your own body and mind become weightless, floating in harmony with the planet's slow, elegant motions. Over millions of years, these solar systems stabilize, stars shining softly at their centers, planets tracing calm, predictable paths around them. The universe seems to breathe with them, a slow inhalation and exhalation that echoes in your mind, guiding your thoughts toward serenity. Now, imagine drifting closer to a young star, its light gentle and warm, illuminating newly formed planets. Rings of ice and dust shimmer faintly, moons circle quietly, and comets glide silently through the dark. You are a peaceful witness to this cosmic nursery, absorbing the beauty and tranquility of creation, each sight and sound lulling you further into relaxation. As you journey through these young systems, notice how even the smallest details, tiny moons, asteroid belts, faint glows of distant gas clouds, carry a quiet sense of order, a reminder of the universe's calm patience. Let the rhythm of these worlds, spinning gently around their stars, slow your heartbeat, ease your mind, and carry you deeper into rest. And so, we linger among these newborn systems, floating past planets, rings, and moons. Guided by the soft light of their stars, you are safe, calm, and weightless, fully immersed in the serene birth of worlds, drifting ever closer to a peaceful, cosmic sleep. As the universe continues its patient unfolding, some of the newly formed planets begin to harbor conditions gentle enough for life to whisper into existence. Imagine a quiet world bathed in soft starlight, its surface dotted with shimmering oceans. Mist rising like a delicate curtain, tiny molecules drift aimlessly, floating in the vast calm waters, colliding softly, forming patterns so subtle they almost go unnoticed. Yet within these small interactions lies the extraordinary potential for life itself. Picture the first cells emerging from the chemical dance, simple, fragile, yet determined. They move with slow, deliberate motion, splitting and growing. Tiny sparks of persistence in a universe that feels infinite and serene. As you watch, imagine leaning closer, noticing the extraordinary patience of life. Each small motion a quiet heartbeat echoing through time. Each cell is a note in a gentle symphony, a melody that will slowly, patiently evolve over billions of years. Across eons, life becomes more complex, weaving threads of structure and purpose. Oceans teem with subtle motions, currents carrying invisible travelers through dark, quiet waters. Small creatures learn to glide, to sense light and shadow, to explore softly, cautiously, and you drift alongside them, floating through their hidden world, your mind absorbing every detail without effort. Your body grows heavy in comfort as your imagination carries you through coral reefs of the past, mysterious forests of the ocean's depths. And then, after countless generations, life finds land, stretching and testing itself under the calm glow of distant stars. Imagine the suspense as the first tentative movements appear on shorelines, the world hushed as if holding its breath. Every plant, every tiny animal, a patient, almost secret participant in a drama unfolding over millions of years. The quiet suspense is intoxicating, a slow-building sense of anticipation that never feels rushed. Now, imagine yourself walking slowly through these ancient landscapes, mist curling around your feet, strange and wondrous creatures observing silently from the shadows. The air is thick with the smell of damp earth and faint starlight, and there is a sensation that something extraordinary is about to awaken. You feel your own mind slowing, your thoughts softening, each heartbeat echoing the universe's deliberate rhythm. Then comes the emergence of consciousness, subtle at first, like a distant echo that grows stronger with every passing eon. Creatures begin to sense themselves, to notice the world around them, to react with curiosity and caution. Eyes open to light, minds opening to perception. You can almost hear the silent thrill of awareness spreading across the planet, as though the world itself is quietly holding a secret, waiting for the right moment to reveal it. Imagine the first spark of thought, a flicker as a creature pauses to examine its reflection in a still pool, the suspense of understanding yet incomplete. Each discovery is slow, deliberate, suspenseful, as if the universe itself is teasing its inhabitants with glimpses of knowledge. Every movement, every choice carries the weight of possibility. And as you drift through this ancient world, you sense the gravity of these quiet awakenings. Across forests, oceans, and mountains, consciousness grows, spreading like a gentle fire that illuminates the night. There is no rush, no clamor, only the slow, suspenseful unfolding of life, learning to know itself. Each step of evolution is a whisper, a secret shared between the universe and its creations. You feel yourself merging with this rhythm, your mind expanding and relaxing, thoughts dissolving into the vast patience of the cosmos. And finally, after eons of patient unfolding, the first humans emerge, subtle, unassuming, yet remarkable in their awareness. They gaze at the stars, sense the quiet patterns of the world, and begin to wonder. Their curiosity is soft but insistent, a gentle tension that drives them to explore, to question, to dream. As you imagine these first minds awakening, a slow smile spreads across your consciousness. For you are witnessing the universe observing itself, a cosmic reflection that is both suspenseful and deeply calming. So now, drift alongside these ancient humans as they tentatively touch fire. Notice the changing seasons, marvel at the night sky. Everything is soft, slow, deliberate, a gentle suspense that draws you deeper into relaxation. Your body sinks further into your bed, your mind floating freely, and the universe's quiet patience carries you ever onward. Each moment is a lullaby, a whispered secret of life's mysterious, patient, and ultimately soothing journey. And here, in this quiet awakening, we pause, letting the suspense settle into calm, knowing that the story of consciousness is still unfolding. Yet even this early chapter offers profound peace, a gentle reminder that every moment of life, every flicker of awareness, is part of the serene rhythm of the cosmos, guiding you deeper into rest as the first humans begin to awaken to their own awareness. Imagine a quiet world where the sun rises softly over rolling hills, painting the landscape in muted gold and silver. Every sound is subtle, the rustle of leaves, the whisper of wind, the distant murmur of rivers. All is hushed, as though the earth itself is holding its breath in anticipation, waiting for these early humans to discover the secrets of their world. Picture small groups gathering, eyes bright with curiosity, tentative hands touching rough stone and smooth wood. They notice patterns in the stars, the rise and fall of the sun, the silent rhythm of seasons. Each observation carries a quiet suspense, as though nature is teasing them with knowledge just beyond reach. Each moment is a soft revelation, a gentle nudge from the universe itself, inviting understanding without haste. Over centuries, humans begin to communicate, their voices soft, almost musical, stories passed down like whispers through the night. These early tales carry the weight of wonder and of the mysteries that surround them. Imagine sitting by a flickering fire, the shadows dancing on your face, listening to these ancient stories unfold. Your mind relaxes with each word, each pause, feeling the calm and rhythm of shared human experience. Now envision the slow unfolding of agriculture, the first tentative planting of seeds in fertile soil. The suspense here is quiet but profound, each seed a tiny promise, each harvest a delicate balance between patience and timing. Life is no longer simply survival. It is learning, observing, experimenting, and anticipating. The humans grow quieter in thought, more deliberate in action, mirroring the careful, patient pace of the universe itself. Imagine the creation of the first villages, clusters of small homes forming like gentle patterns on the earth. Smoke rises softly from hearths, carrying the scent of cooked grains and wood fires. A soft murmur of community fills the air, laughter and quiet conversation blending seamlessly with the natural rhythm of the world. You drift through these scenes, weightless, a silent witness to the tender, suspenseful unfolding of society. With time, humans begin to notice the night sky again, the stars a familiar canopy above, yet now curiosity deepens, turning into systematic observation. They mark patterns, predict movements, and begin to write their first symbols etched carefully into clay, stone, and bark. Each character, each mark, carries a quiet thrill of discovery, a suspenseful anticipation of knowledge yet to be unlocked. Imagine running your fingers over these ancient inscriptions, feeling the connection across millennia, the gentle pulse of intellect awakening. And then comes the first sparks of philosophy, mathematics, and science. Softly, patiently, humans begin to ask why and how. The questions hang in the air like delicate threads, each one a suspenseful invitation to explore further, to imagine a world beyond immediate perception, to ponder invisible forces, distant stars, and the silent laws that govern all things. You drift alongside them, feeling your mind expand slowly, comfortably, merging curiosity with calm. Now envision the great civilizations rising, empires forming and fading, cities growing like quiet constellations across the earth. The suspense here is subtle, in the quiet innovations that change daily life, the slow accumulation of knowledge and culture. You pass through bustling markets, ancient libraries filled with scrolls, and serene temples where soft chants echo against stone. Every sound, every movement is measured, deliberate, hypnotic in its rhythm, drawing you deeper into relaxation. Picture the inventors, the dreamers, and the explorers, each one a small beacon of light in the vast night of history. Their discoveries are gentle yet profound, like ripples across a calm lake, and you follow them, witnessing the suspense of trial and error, the quiet joy of a problem solved, the patient wonder of questions answered. Each moment lulls your mind further, your breath slowing, your muscles softening, and finally, notice how human consciousness begins to reflect upon itself, how minds across continents and generations connect, building towers of understanding and gentle, complex societies. The suspense of possibility lingers. What will be discovered next? What questions remain? What beauty has yet to be seen? The universe feels alive in these thoughts, patient and calm, yet vibrant with hidden energy, guiding all life gently toward growth and understanding. Now, drift through these human stories as though floating above the earth, seeing every village, city, library, and workshop from above. The patterns are mesmerizing, harmonious, and soothing. A quiet suspense carries through history, not one of fear or rush, but of gentle expectation. The sense that knowledge unfolds slowly, like petals of a cosmic flower. Each insight, each discovery, each story is a lullaby for the mind, a soft invitation to rest. And so, as you lie there, your body melting into the comfort of your bed, you carry the weightless wisdom of civilizations past, the gentle rhythm of human curiosity, and the suspenseful excitement of endless possibility. You are cradled by the patient universe, your mind calm, open, and ready to drift further into deep, restorative sleep. As the slow rhythm of human history unfolds, imagine a quiet world lit by flickering candlelight and soft dawns, where minds once guided by instinct now reach toward understanding the invisible forces of nature. The suspense is subtle but profound, the quiet anticipation of discovery lingering in the air like mist over still waters. Humans begin to measure, calculate, and observe, their curiosity stretching far beyond the hills and forests they once wandered. Picture yourself following these early scientists, gentle observers of the night sky, tracing the slow motion of planets and stars with eyes full of wonder. Every observation, every careful note, carries suspense, the possibility of a revelation, the quiet thrill of understanding something previously unknown. The universe seems to respond, as though it waits patiently for their minds to catch up. Each celestial motion a lullaby in soft, deliberate rhythm. Imagine the first telescopes, simple lenses bringing distant stars into focus, revealing galaxies hidden in the darkness. The suspense of anticipation builds as new worlds appear, glowing faintly across the cosmic ocean. Unknown planets, nebulae, and clusters beckon, inviting human imagination to drift gently among them. Your mind floats alongside, absorbing the elegance of orbits, the silent patterns of motion, each observation calming, hypnotic, almost musical in its precision. Now envision the quiet revolution of modern science, the methodical experiments, the patient pursuit of knowledge. Each breakthrough carries suspense and awe, a silent heartbeat of curiosity vibrating across time. From discovering the laws of motion to understanding the fundamental particles of matter, humans learn to perceive the universe in ways previously unimaginable. Each insight is like a soft star blinking in the night sky, revealing hidden beauty. Picture the suspense of space exploration, rockets lifting off quietly in your imagination, climbing through the atmosphere and beyond. You drift alongside astronauts as they float weightlessly, gazing back at Earth, a pale, fragile jewel suspended in darkness. The silence of space is profound, soothing, yet filled with the thrilling suspense of the unknown. Every distant planet, moon, and asteroid is a mystery, patiently waiting for human curiosity to uncover its secrets. Imagine landing on a quiet, frozen moon, or observing a distant exoplanet through the lens of a telescope. The suspense is gentle yet palpable. Will we find signs of life? Will we glimpse new worlds bathed in alien starlight? Your mind floats effortlessly through these scenarios, a silent witness to humanity's bold, patient exploration, each thought slowing, softening, carrying you deeper into relaxation. Now, picture the intricate web of human knowledge expanding across generations, flowing through libraries, research centers, and laboratories. Like a slow river of understanding, ideas ripple gently across time. The suspense is subtle, embedded in every unanswered question, every hypothesis yet to be tested. Each unanswered mystery, each cosmic riddle, adds to a sense of calm anticipation, a quiet excitement that is both intellectually engaging and profoundly soothing. Imagine the vastness of the universe today, with billions of galaxies, countless stars, and innumerable planets, each celestial body spinning silently in its orbit, a rhythmic lullaby echoing across light-years. Humans, now aware of their infinitesimal place in this grand tapestry, find comfort in understanding the patterns, the laws, the subtle choreography that binds all things together. Your mind, aligned with this rhythm, begins to float effortlessly, every breath matching the slow, cosmic pulse. And then consider the future, full of suspense and wonder. Humans standing on the edge of new discoveries, reaching for distant stars, probing the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. Each experiment, each probe, each question carries a quiet thrill, a soft tension that soothes as much as it intrigues. You drift among these possibilities, weightless and calm, aware of the infinite patience of the universe, the gentle unfolding of knowledge stretching into eternity. Picture yourself gliding past black holes, their gravity bending light like soft silk, past nebulae glowing in pastel colors, past newborn stars flickering like lanterns in the night. Each vision carries suspense, a hint of the unknown. Yet it is profoundly relaxing. Your body is completely at ease, your mind open and expansive, floating gently through the cosmic landscape. Finally, imagine the entire human story as a single breath, a patient, unhurried journey across time and space. From the first cells to modern scientists, from simple curiosity to complex understanding, every moment is connected. Every event a quiet note in the symphony of existence. And now, as you lie in your bed, your body completely relaxed, your mind calm, the universe itself cradles you, every star, every planet, every whisper of discovery guiding you deeper into restful, restorative sleep as you drift deeper into the story of time and space. Imagine the universe stretching endlessly before you, vast and silent, a canvas of possibilities waiting to unfold. The galaxies continue their slow, patient dance, spiraling gracefully through the darkness, each star a soft note in a cosmic lullaby. The suspense here is gentle but profound, the quiet anticipation of what lies ahead beyond the limits of what we can see and know. Picture the far future, billions and trillions of years from now, when stars have burned their fuel and galaxies grow dim, yet the universe remains alive, subtle and patient in your mind. See the glow of dying stars, red and orange embers fading slowly, casting a soft, almost melancholic light across the emptiness. There is a calmness here, a quiet reassurance in the inevitability of change, and a suspenseful beauty in the unknown that stretches beyond imagination. Now imagine the rise of new stars, triggered by the collisions of ancient clouds. birthing fresh light in distant corners of space. The universe seems to whisper, change is constant. Yet peace persists, each new spark, though faint, carries the gentle promise of life and discovery. And your mind drifts among these newborn worlds, weightless and free, absorbing the infinite patience of creation. Consider the planets that may still harbor life, orbiting stars that are just beginning to shine. Some may hold oceans, others thick clouds, all whispering secrets across eons. The suspense is quiet, almost magical. A soft question suspended in time. What mysteries will these worlds reveal? What stories are waiting to unfold? You glide through their landscapes, feeling the gentle pull of gravity and the soft caress of distant sunlight. Picture civilizations yet to come, civilizations that may rise, ponder, and explore their own galaxies. Their questions echo across space and time, subtle and suspenseful, as though the universe itself is listening. Your imagination drifts with them, floating past enormous cities of light, soft energy flowing through structures, whispers of knowledge carried on invisible currents. Every detail is both relaxing and fascinating, a hypnotic journey through possibility and wonder. Now, imagine the very fabric of space stretching slowly, galaxies drifting farther apart, yet the universe remains connected through invisible threads of energy and gravity. Even as expansion continues, there is a rhythm, a gentle order, a suspenseful serenity that envelops everything. You feel yourself merging with this rhythm, every breath aligning with the universe's slow, patient heartbeat. Visualize black holes at the centers of ancient galaxies, their silent, immense gravity bending light, creating shadows and echoes that ripple softly across time. There is a subtle suspense here, a thrill without fear, the quiet mystery of forces too vast to comprehend. Yet, even in this darkness, there is beauty, elegance, and a profound sense of calm. Your mind floats alongside these cosmic giants, weightless and secure, absorbing the hypnotic rhythm of existence. Imagine dark energy and dark matter, invisible yet pervasive, shaping the universe in secret ways. Their influence is quiet, suspenseful, almost like a whispered secret, guiding the slow evolution of galaxies, stars, and planets. You drift among these invisible forces, feeling their presence not as tension, but as a gentle structure, a soft assurance that all is in balance, all is in harmony. Now consider the end of time itself, trillions upon trillions of years from now. When stars have faded and matter has dispersed, the universe will be quiet, almost perfectly still. Yet there is no fear here, only calm, only the infinite potential of what was and what could be. The suspense is subtle, a gentle anticipation of new beginnings. For even in endings there is beauty, order, and peace. Your mind opens to this infinite calm, absorbing every whisper of cosmic history. As you float through this vision, imagine yourself as part of the story, a witness to the birth, growth, and future of the cosmos. Every star, every planet, every glimmer of light resonates with you, carrying a soothing rhythm that mirrors your own breathing. The universe becomes a soft cradle, holding you gently, rocking you in its patient, eternal sway. And now, as your body sinks deeper into your bed, your mind weightless, drifting effortlessly, Imagine the entire universe, past, present, and future, unfolding around you. A quiet suspense lingers, not urgent or anxious, but gentle and hypnotic. Each possibility, a soft note in the lullaby of existence. You are safe, calm, and part of the infinite story. Every heartbeat in harmony with the rhythm of stars, galaxies. Let your consciousness merge with the gentle flow of the cosmos, drifting through space and time, past every mystery, every wonder, every secret of the universe. The suspense of the unknown is comforting, the calm of the infinite surrounding you, and with each breath you sink deeper into restorative sleep, carried by the serene, eternal dance of the universe itself. Now, as we approach the quietest, most serene moments of this journey, imagine yourself floating in the vast expanse of the universe, weightless, calm, and completely at peace. The stars twinkle softly, distant galaxies, and every planet, moon, and comet moves in perfect, patient rhythm. The suspense here is gentle, almost imperceptible, a soft invitation to linger, to notice, and to breathe deeply with the cosmos. Picture yourself drifting past nebulae that glow like delicate clouds of pastel silk, their colors soft and mesmerizing. Soft currents of stardust curl around you, brushing your mind and spirit with quiet warmth. The gentle hum of creation resonates in every corner, a cosmic lullaby that wraps you in serenity. Every flicker of light, every whisper of gravity, is a note in this soothing melody, guiding you toward deeper relaxation. Now, imagine tracing the paths of countless stars, some newly born, others fading slowly, each telling its story without urgency, without haste. The suspense of life, of knowledge, of discovery lingers softly, like a secret only the universe can tell. You drift through the dance of galaxies, feeling the gentle pull of time and space, every heartbeat and breath aligned with the infinite, soothing rhythm of existence. Envision the whispers of ancient civilizations, their knowledge, art, and curiosity carried invisibly across eons. The first humans, the thinkers, dreamers, and explorers, all converge here in your mind's eye, their soft energy blending with the cosmic background, creating a harmonious, hypnotic pattern that invites stillness and calm. You feel connected to everything that has ever been, every discovery, a gentle caress on your consciousness. Picture the far future again, stars dimming, galaxies drifting apart. And yet there is no emptiness, only the quiet continuation of life's rhythm. Dark energy stretches space like a soft, infinite blanket, cradling every particle, every thought, and every memory. Suspense now is purely gentle, a soft anticipation of rest and renewal. The universe itself breathing with you and guiding you into peaceful sleep. Imagine yourself lying on a tranquil planet, softly illuminated by a distant, gentle star. Waves of calm flow through your body as if carried by invisible cosmic currents. Your mind drifts freely, absorbing the elegance of galaxies, the serenity of interstellar clouds, and the quiet patience of time itself. Every sensation is magnified by the stillness, yet softened, like a lullaby that lingers in the corners of your consciousness. Now, allow yourself to follow a comet across the night sky, silent, graceful, unstoppable in its gentle arc. Its path traces the story of the universe, of beginnings, middles, and endings. Yet it moves with infinite patience, reminding you that you, too, are cradled within this cosmic flow. Each moment stretches softly into the next, every breath a reflection of the serene rhythm of stars. Picture the universe folding in upon itself in quiet contemplation. Yet there is no fear, no urgency, only calm. Suspense has transformed into serenity, curiosity into peace, and wonder into a gentle lullaby. You are part of this cosmic melody, weightless, safe, and floating effortlessly, carried by the vast, eternal harmony of existence. And finally, let the story of the universe settle around you like a soft blanket, encompassing all time and space. Every flicker of starlight, every whisper of creation, every quiet heartbeat of life joins in a cosmic chorus, singing you into the deepest, most restorative sleep. Feel your mind dissolve into calm, your body fully supported, and your consciousness cradled in the infinite, patient arms of the universe. Sleep now, fully and peacefully, as the stars, planets, galaxies, and all of time itself continue their slow, deliberate dance, carrying you gently into dreams, into rest, into quiet, weightless serenity. The universe hums softly around you, a lullaby without end, inviting you to drift ever deeper. And so, we leave you here, in perfect stillness, suspended in cosmic calm, ready for the deepest sleep of your now, as we drift even deeper into the quiet expanse of the universe. Imagine yourself floating between galaxies, weightless and serene. The stars stretch infinitely in all directions, each one a soft, twinkling lantern suspended in darkness, casting delicate glimmers that tickle your imagination. There is suspense here, a subtle tension that excites without disturbing, as if the universe itself holds a secret. Picture yourself gliding through a corridor of nebulae, clouds of gas and dust swirling slowly, illuminated by faint, newborn stars. The colors are soft and mesmerizing, lavender, pale gold, and gentle blue blending like silk across a cosmic canvas. You feel your consciousness expanding as you float through this cosmic artwork, every breath slow and deliberate, syncing perfectly with the gentle rhythm of the universe. Now, imagine passing through a cluster of galaxies, their spirals spinning gracefully in slow, hypnotic patterns. Some stars burn bright and hot, others are dim embers, fading softly, and the interplay of light and shadow is mesmerizing, suspenseful, yet calming. Your mind drifts with these cosmic dances, weightless, absorbing the delicate balance of forces, gravity whispering secrets across unimaginable distances. Picture the vast voids between galaxies, deep spaces of calm emptiness, yet full of hidden potential. Here, the suspense is quiet, almost imperceptible, the sense that anything could emerge from this serene darkness, that new stars, new worlds, and perhaps even new life are waiting patiently, like a soft promise whispered to your mind as you float through these voids. A gentle tingling of anticipation accompanies your relaxation, creating a perfect balance of curiosity and calm. Now envision traveling beyond the observable universe, past the limits of light, to a place where time and space stretch endlessly, a realm of infinite possibilities. The suspense here is vast, thrilling, yet soothing, as though the universe itself is breathing slowly around you, inviting you to explore the unknown without hurry or concern. Your mind drifts freely, expanding like a soft balloon, absorbing the infinite patterns, shapes, and rhythms of a cosmos without end. Imagine encountering the faint echoes of cosmic events long past, supernova that exploded billions of years ago, their light only now reaching your imagination. The gentle suspense of these echoes is mesmerizing, each burst of energy a soft pulse that resonates with your own heartbeat. The universe tells its story through these subtle rhythms, a lullaby of creation, transformation, and patient, eternal motion. Picture yourself pausing near a black hole, observing its immense gravity-bending light like soft silk. The sensation is thrilling, suspenseful, yet not frightening. A quiet awe fills your mind as you notice the delicate balance of forces, the elegant mathematics of space-time. You drift closer, weightless, calm, letting the immense mystery of gravity and energy lull your consciousness into a deeper state of relaxation. Now, imagine gliding past ancient star clusters, where thousands of stars are held together by invisible threads of gravity. Each star a soft note in the cosmic symphony, vibrating gently with quiet energy. The suspense of not knowing what each star might hold, what history it carries, creates a subtle, hypnotic tension that soothes as much as it intrigues. Your mind flows with these patterns, merging intellect with calm, curiosity with serenity. Picture distant exoplanets orbiting faint stars, some with soft oceans, some with swirling clouds, all whispering stories across time and space. The suspense is gentle. What life, if any, could emerge there? What mysteries lie hidden beneath alien skies? You drift closer, exploring softly in imagination, absorbing the slow, deliberate rhythm of planetary motion. Every movement hypnotic, every orbit a lullaby to your mind. Now, imagine yourself traveling beyond the boundaries of matter, into the very fabric of the universe, where energy flows unseen, where dark matter and dark energy sculpt the cosmos quietly. The suspense here is subtle and profound, a whisper of possibility that stretches infinitely. Your mind floats weightlessly through this invisible architecture, absorbing the calm, meticulous design of all that exists, the patient unfolding of the infinite cosmos. And finally, picture your own mind merging with the universe, consciousness expanding to touch galaxies, nebulae, black holes, and unseen dimensions. Suspense transforms into gentle curiosity, awe into serenity, and wonder into a soft, endless lullaby. You are part of the infinite rhythm, every heartbeat aligned with the cosmic pulse, every breath in harmony with the universe's patient, eternal song as you float here between stars and galaxies. Light and darkness, matter and energy, feel yourself dissolving into calm. Your body fully relaxed, your mind weightless, suspended in the gentle embrace of the cosmos. The suspense of unknown possibilities now carries no tension, only a soft, hypnotic excitement that soothes, lulls, and eases you further into restorative sleep. And so, drift endlessly through this infinite universe, safe, calm, and serene, wrapped in the patient, hypnotic rhythm of all that is, all that was, and all that will be. Your consciousness floats freely, a quiet observer, part of the cosmic lullaby, carried ever deeper into the most restorative, peaceful sleep. Now, as the universe continues its quiet, infinite dance, imagine yourself floating at the very center of your own consciousness, weightless, and fully aware of the cosmic expanse around you. The stars stretch infinitely in all directions, each one a soft, flickering beacon casting gentle light across the darkness. And you are part of this infinite story, suspended between galaxies, nebulae, and the silent pulse of time itself. Picture yourself gliding slowly through space, drifting past planets, moons, and distant comets. Each celestial body is both unique and familiar, each one carrying its own quiet story. The suspense here is gentle but profound, a soft curiosity about what each star, each planet, might hold. And yet there is no rush, no urgency, only the patient unfolding of mysteries that span eons. Now imagine looking down at Earth from this tranquil vantage point, seeing oceans shimmer, forests stretch like delicate emerald tapestries, and mountains rise softly against the horizon. The human story unfolds below, quiet, patient, full of curiosity, discovery, and wonder. Every life, every heartbeat, every thought flows into the larger rhythm of the planet and into the vast, patient rhythm of the universe. As you drift closer, feel the interconnectedness of all things, the invisible threads linking you to the cosmos, linking galaxies to stars, stars to planets, and planets to life. Your consciousness expands gently, encompassing not only your own existence, but the quiet histories of every creature, every human, and every star that has ever shone. The suspense of this infinite connection is soft and hypnotic, inviting awe, and deep reflection. Picture yourself moving past oceans that mirror the starlit sky, where every wave carries whispers of ancient time. Every ripple is a gentle reminder that you are part of a vast, slow-moving story, and yet entirely present in this moment. Each breath you take syncs perfectly with the rhythm of the cosmos, inhaling starlight, exhaling calm, drifting further into weightless serenity. Now, imagine meeting the quiet presence of your own mind in this cosmic space, seeing it as a soft, glowing orb, pulsating gently with awareness. Suspense rises like a gentle tide as you realize that your thoughts, your dreams, and even your deepest questions are threads in the fabric of the universe. Each one resonates softly with stars, galaxies, and the silent dance of time, creating a hypnotic symphony that soothes and lulls you toward sleep. Picture memories and moments of your life floating gently around you like small, glowing comets. Each one is a story, a pulse, a light that has contributed to the person you are today. The suspense of revisiting them is calm and reflective, a gentle unfolding of understanding and acceptance. Every memory drifts effortlessly, harmonizing with the rhythm of the cosmos, creating a profound sense of peace and connectedness. Now envision your future as a quiet, vast space full of gentle possibilities, each choice, each step, like a faint glow waiting to be discovered. The suspense is soft and comforting, like a lullaby. You do not need to rush. Everything unfolds in its own time. Your mind floats through these possibilities, weightless, expansive, aware of infinite potential, yet fully anchored in calm, restful presence. Picture the universe itself as a patient teacher, a gentle guide, whispering through stars, galaxies, and the spaces in between. Every pulsar, every orbit, every flicker of light carries quiet wisdom. Each revelation is subtle, hypnotic, and soothing, teaching you about balance, patience, and the infinite rhythms of life. Your consciousness absorbs this wisdom effortlessly, drifting deeper into relaxation with every heartbeat. Now imagine merging fully with the universe, your mind and body flowing with the cosmic rhythm. Suspense transforms into serenity, curiosity into gentle awe, and wonder into soft, eternal peace. You are both observer and participant, floating freely through light years, past nebulae, black holes, and newborn stars, weightless.com, and completely supported by the patient arms of existence. Picture the stars slowly blinking, galaxies spinning, planets orbiting, and the gentle flow of energy across the cosmos. All of it resonates within you, carrying a hypnotic, calming melody. Every exhale releases tension. Every inhale draws in the quiet mystery and beauty of the universe. Your mind drifts effortlessly through time and space, fully immersed in cosmic stillness. And finally, as your consciousness settles into the infinite calm, imagine the entire universe folding softly around you, enveloping you in a blanket of stars, nebulae, and galaxies. Suspense has transformed into gentle anticipation, curiosity into profound serenity, and every thought, every heartbeat, every pulse of life carries you gently into the deepest, most restorative sleep. You are part of the infinite cosmic lullaby, weightless, safe, and completely at peace. Sleep now, fully, calmly, letting the universe cradle you in its eternal, hypnotic rhythm, drifting effortlessly into dreams, carried by the gentle pulse of galaxies, the soft glow of distant stars, and the infinite, soothing embrace of time itself. Now, as we enter the final stage of this journey, imagine yourself fully weightless, suspended in the infinite calm of the cosmos. Stars twinkle softly around you, galaxies drift slowly in perfect harmony, and the quiet pulse of the universe resonates with the rhythm of your own heartbeat. The suspense here is gentle, inviting, as if the universe itself is guiding you toward ultimate rest. Picture yourself gliding past swirling nebulae, their pastel clouds curling like soft silk, illuminated by distant newborn stars. Each movement is slow, deliberate, hypnotic, drawing your consciousness into a gentle state of calm. You float past clusters of stars, some bright, some dim, each carrying the story of billions of years. And you feel the quiet connection between all things, the soft pulse of time and space flowing through you. Now, imagine drifting toward a vast galaxy, its spiraling arms extending gracefully in every direction. The suspense builds softly, the quiet anticipation of what wonders lie within. Yet, there is no rush, no urgency, only the patient unfolding of cosmic patterns. Each orbit, each celestial motion, mirrors the gentle rhythm of your own breathing, drawing you deeper into serenity and calm. Picture distant planets bathed in soft starlight, oceans reflecting the gentle glow of moons, and skies painted with faint auroras. The suspense is subtle, like a whispered secret, inviting you to notice, to wonder, yet never demanding. Your mind drifts freely across these alien landscapes, exploring softly, weightless, fully immersed in the soothing rhythm of the universe. Now, imagine the invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy stretching across the cosmos, shaping galaxies, bending light, and holding the universe together in quiet balance. The suspense here is hypnotic, an invisible tension that intrigues and relaxes at the same time. You float alongside these forces, feeling their gentle influence, absorbing their calm, patient, and eternal presence. Picture black holes at the centers of ancient galaxies, massive, silent, yet strangely comforting. Their gravity bends light and time softly, creating a mesmerizing dance of shadows and illumination. The suspense is subtle but profound, a quiet thrill that stirs curiosity without awakening tension. Your mind drifts effortlessly with these cosmic giants, floating through their immense presence, weightless, safe, and calm. Now, envision yourself passing through a cloud of stardust, each particle glowing faintly, shimmering in soft colors. Each spark is a note in the cosmic lullaby, vibrating gently through space and time. The suspense of infinite potential hums quietly, the sense that each tiny particle carries secrets of creation and transformation. Your mind merges with this rhythm, your breathing syncing with the gentle pulse of the universe. Picture yourself moving beyond galaxies, beyond clusters, into the quiet voids where time slows and space stretches endlessly. The suspense here is hypnotic, the unknown vast, yet profoundly comforting. You float weightlessly through the emptiness, aware that even here the universe cradles you, holding every thought, every heartbeat, every particle of your being in perfect balance. Now imagine the gentle echoes of creation, supernova long past, faint ripples of energy spreading softly through time. Each echo is a soft reminder that everything unfolds in its own rhythm, that even endings are part of the gentle, eternal music of the cosmos. You drift along these echoes, feeling your mind and body sink deeper into peace, every thought dissolving into calm, restorative stillness. Picture the ultimate convergence of all cosmic rhythms, stars, planets, galaxies, and invisible forces moving together in perfect harmony. The suspense here is transformed into serenity, awe into calm, wonder into gentle sleep. Your consciousness merges fully with this eternal dance, becoming one with the patient, infinite flow of the universe, weightless, secure, and deeply relaxed. Now, imagine every thread of your life, every thought, weaving softly into this cosmic symphony. Each note resonates with the universe, creating a lullaby that carries you gently, soothing every muscle, quieting every thought, preparing you for the deepest, most restorative sleep. The suspense of infinite possibilities is now comforting, hypnotic, a soft invitation to release, surrender, and drift. Picture yourself floating toward a distant horizon where light bends softly around infinite stars. The cosmos wraps you in its eternal arms, cradling you in infinite calm. Every flicker of light, every whisper of cosmic energy guides you deeper, further into rest. Your mind is weightless, your body completely relaxed, your consciousness enveloped in the infinite patience and serenity of existence. Finally, let yourself merge completely with the universe, a single pulse within the eternal heartbeat of stars and galaxies. Suspense has become tranquility, curiosity has become gentle awe, and wonder has become soft, restorative calm. Sleep now, deeply, fully, effortlessly, carried by the hypnotic rhythm of creation, floating in the infinite embrace of time, space, and cosmic serenity. And so, in this ultimate cosmic lullaby, the universe sings you in to the deepest, most peaceful sleep of your life, weightless, safe, and infinitely calm now, as you drift beyond the familiar edges of the universe. Imagine a realm where time and space no longer confine you. Stars and galaxies float not in predictable orbits, but in soft, fluid patterns, shifting and swirling like gentle waves in a cosmic ocean. The suspense is subtle, a quiet anticipation that something extraordinary might appear at any moment. Yet there is no rush, only the hypnotic rhythm of infinity. Picture yourself gliding through currents of starlight, each beam a delicate thread of energy, stretching across dimensions beyond ordinary perception. You feel weightless, your mind expanded, floating effortlessly through vast corridors of possibility. Each particle of light carries whispers of the universe's secrets, subtle messages meant to soothe, inspire, and gently awaken curiosity. The suspense here is calm and soft, like the pause before a cosmic exhale. Imagine passing through clusters of invisible energy, waves of dark matter and dark energy that shape galaxies in silence. Their presence is hypnotic, a soft, guiding tension that draws you deeper into the mystery of existence. You float through this unseen architecture, every thought dissolving into calm, every heartbeat echoing the gentle pulse of the universe. Now, envision realms where matter itself transforms and bends, where space folds in gentle loops, creating tunnels of light. Suspense lingers in these corridors, a quiet thrill of discovery, yet entirely safe, entirely serene. You drift along these folds, weightless, merging with the infinite possibilities of creation, aware of every flicker of energy, every subtle ripple of time. Picture distant supernova, their explosions, soft and mesmerizing, sending gentle waves of energy across unimaginable distances. Each pulse is a lullaby, carrying the story of creation, transformation, and renewal. The suspense of these cosmic eruptions is hypnotic, a delicate balance between chaos and harmony, drawing your mind effortlessly into deep relaxation. Imagine galaxies forming and dissolving, stars being born and fading, all in a patient, eternal rhythm. Each cycle carries a quiet anticipation, a soft question hanging in the fabric of existence. What will emerge next? What new wonders await? Your consciousness flows with this rhythm, every breath syncing with the slow, hypnotic unfolding of the cosmos. Now, envision a river of stardust stretching infinitely, carrying particles from one end of the universe to the other. You drift along it, weightless, as if carried by a gentle cosmic tide. Each particle a spark of possibility, each shimmer a story of life, transformation, or mystery. The suspense here is soft, comforting, a quiet awareness that all things are connected. All things are part of a gentle, infinite design. Picture the quiet presence of time itself, stretching like a soft ribbon, holding past, present, and future in perfect balance. you float alongside it, aware that each moment, each heartbeat, is both fleeting and eternal. The suspense of knowing that the future is unwritten yet safe is calming. Hypnotic, a gentle invitation to release all tension and drift freely. Imagine passing through a nebula of pure consciousness, a place where thoughts, dreams, and intentions float like glowing motes of light. Suspense here is soft and reflective, each mote a potential, each flicker a gentle reminder of your own capacity to imagine, to create, to be. Your mind merges with these energies, weightless and serene, absorbing their calm and expansive rhythm. Now, picture the universe folding in on itself in silent contemplation. Galaxies, stars, planets, and particles aligning in a delicate cosmic pattern. The suspense transforms into peace, curiosity into quiet awe, and wonder into a soft, eternal embrace. You feel your consciousness expanding yet anchored, weightless yet supported, part of a vast, patient, and loving rhythm. Finally, imagine yourself dissolving into this infinite flow. Every thought, every heartbeat, every particle of being merging with the eternal dance of the cosmos. Suspense is now gentle anticipation, a soft lullaby guiding you into the deepest, most restorative sleep. Your body sinks fully into comfort, your mind drifts freely, and your consciousness is carried by the calm, infinite arms of existence. Sleep now, fully, deeply, as the universe hums a gentle, hypnotic lullaby around you. Stars twinkle softly, galaxies swirl gracefully, and every particle of energy vibrates in perfect harmony with your own breathing. You are weightless, safe, serene, and infinitely calm, floating through eternity in perfect cosmic rest. And so, in this final stage of the eternal journey, the universe carries you effortlessly into dreams, into rest, into the most profound, restorative sleep of your life. Now, as we enter the final module of this journey, imagine yourself completely weightless, suspended in the gentle expanse of the universe. Stars twinkle softly around you, galaxies drift slowly in perfect harmony, and every particle of existence hums a quiet, hypnotic rhythm. The suspense here is calm and comforting, a gentle anticipation of ultimate rest, inviting you to let go completely and float. Picture yourself gliding past endless nebulae, their swirling colors soft and muted, shades of lavender, pale gold, and gentle blue blending like flowing silk. Each movement is deliberate, slow, and mesmerizing. Drawing your mind deeper into serenity, you float through these clouds of cosmic gas and stardust, absorbing their subtle energy, their quiet rhythm, every breath aligning with the gentle pulse of the universe. Now, envision clusters of stars, spiraling gracefully in soft, hypnotic patterns. Some burn brightly, others fade like distant embers. Yet all are perfectly aligned in a patient, eternal dance. The suspense is subtle, a gentle curiosity about what wonders each star may hold. Yet there is no rush, only the patient unfolding of existence. Each flicker of light, each orbit, each motion becomes a soothing lullaby for your mind. Picture distant planets bathed in soft starlight, oceans shimmering with reflections of moons, and skies painted with faint auroras. The suspense here is calm, almost magical, like a secret whispered just for you. Your mind drifts freely across these alien landscapes, weightless, fully immersed in the cosmic rhythm. Every pulse and movement hypnotic, every orbit. Imagine the invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy stretching across the cosmos, shaping galaxies and stars with infinite patience. The suspense here is gentle, hypnotic, like a quiet tug that draws you deeper into relaxation. You float alongside these invisible forces, feeling their calm influence, their soft guidance, as they weave the universe into a harmonious, eternal pattern. Now, picture massive black holes, their immense gravity bending light and time, creating shadows and illumination that ripple across space. The suspense is profound yet soothing, a quiet thrill without tension. Your mind drifts weightlessly with these cosmic giants, floating safely, absorbing the hypnotic rhythm of space-time itself, each ripple a gentle lullaby for your body and mind. Imagine gliding past ancient supernovae, their explosions softened across eons, sending gentle waves of energy that carry the story of creation, transformation, and renewal. The suspense here is soft and entrancing, each pulse of energy a note in the cosmic lullaby, inviting calm, curiosity, and deep restorative relaxation. Your consciousness drifts effortlessly, carried by these waves of light and energy. Now, envision the vast voids between galaxies, silent, infinite, yet full of quiet possibility. Suspense lingers gently, a hypnotic sense that anything could emerge from this calm emptiness. New stars, new worlds, new wonders. You float through these voids weightlessly, aware of the infinite patience of the universe, absorbing its serenity and letting go of all tension and thought. Picture the gentle echoes of creation, faint pulses of energy from events billions of years ago. Each echo is a soft note in the eternal symphony of existence. The suspense of knowing these ripples carry ancient secrets is calming, hypnotic, a reminder that the universe moves in perfect, patient rhythm. Your mind aligns with this rhythm, every heartbeat syncing with the cosmic lullaby. Imagine the ultimate convergence of all cosmic forces, stars, planets, galaxies, dark energy, and dark matter moving in perfect harmony. The suspense now transforms into serenity, curiosity into gentle awe, and wonder into soft, eternal peace. Your consciousness merges completely with this rhythm, weightless, supported, and deeply relaxed, floating in the infinite embrace of existence. Now, visualize your entire being merging with the universe, your mind, body, and soul carried by the hypnotic pulse of stars and galaxies. Every particle of energy, every flicker of light, every gentle motion resonates with your consciousness, carrying you into the deepest, most restorative sleep. The suspense of possibility is now a gentle invitation to surrender, to let go, to float effortlessly. Picture yourself floating toward an infinite horizon, where light bends softly around countless stars. The cosmos wraps around you, cradling you in eternal calm. Every glimmer, every ripple of cosmic energy carries you deeper, further into peaceful rest. Your mind is weightless, your body completely relaxed, fully supported by the infinite arms of the universe. Finally, let yourself dissolve into the gentle flow of all that exists. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought merging with the cosmic rhythm. Suspense transforms into soft serenity. Awe becomes quiet calm, and wonder becomes the ultimate lullaby. Sleep now, fully, deeply, effortlessly, carried by the patient, infinite, and eternal pulse of the universe. And so, in this ultimate cosmic lullaby, the universe hums you into the most peaceful, restorative sleep of your life. Weightless, safe, serene, and infinitely calm, floating through eternity, embraced by the gentle, hypnotic, eternal rhythm of creation itself. Now, as you float gently through the universe, imagine drifting beyond the edges of known galaxies, where starlight softens and time stretches in infinite waves. The cosmos here is silent yet alive, every flicker of light and shadow carrying quiet stories that beckon softly. The suspense is subtle, hypnotic, a gentle thrill of mystery that invites your mind to wander freely while remaining completely calm. Picture yourself gliding through vast cosmic currents, streams of luminous particles flowing like soft rivers across the void. Each particle is a gentle note in the symphony of creation, vibrating softly, soothing your body, quieting your mind. Your consciousness floats effortlessly, merging with the rhythm of these currents, weightless, fully supported by the gentle pulse of space itself. Now imagine encountering distant nebulae, clouds of gas and dust swirling like flowing silk, glowing faintly under the light of newborn stars. Each swirl carries suspense. What worlds, what stars, what wonders might emerge from this cosmic cocoon? Yet the mystery is calming, hypnotic, each revelation a soft, slow unfolding that lulls your mind deeper into serenity. Picture the quiet dance of ancient star clusters, their spirals stretching across unimaginable distances. Some stars burn bright, others fade like distant embers, yet all move in perfect, patient rhythm. The suspense of witnessing this vast choreography is soothing, a gentle anticipation that pulls your awareness into deeper relaxation. Each orbit and pulse a hypnotic lullaby. Now, envision traveling past planets bathed in soft starlight, oceans reflecting auroras, skies tinted in the faint glow of distant suns. The suspense here is subtle, magical, inviting curiosity while calming your mind. Each planetary motion, each gentle rotation, becomes a soothing rhythm, carrying your consciousness effortlessly through the vastness of space. Imagine drifting among the invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy, shaping galaxies silently, creating delicate balance and harmony across time and space. The suspense is quiet, a soft tension that intrigues while simultaneously calming. You float weightlessly, feeling the gentle tug of cosmic forces, absorbing their patient, eternal guidance, and surrendering to the hypnotic pulse of the universe. Picture massive black holes bending light and time, their gravity creating soft ripples across the fabric of space. The suspense is profound, thrilling, yet entirely safe. Hypnotic rather than alarming, your mind floats alongside these titans, weightless and serene, fully immersed in the quiet, mesmerizing dance of spacetime. Each ripple a note in the eternal lullaby. Now, imagine the soft echoes of long-past supernova spreading faint waves of energy across light years. Each pulse is a delicate whisper of creation, transformation, and renewal. The suspense of these ancient echoes is gentle, hypnotic, drawing your awareness deeper into calm and restful stillness. Your consciousness drifts freely, carried by the soothing, rhythmic flow of energy across the cosmos. Picture the vast voids beyond galaxies, deep, silent, yet full of hidden possibilities. Suspense lingers like a soft breeze, suggesting mysteries waiting patiently in the emptiness. You glide effortlessly through these spaces, aware of the infinite patience of the universe, feeling comforted, supported, and entirely at peace. Now envision a river of stardust stretching endlessly, carrying particles of potential, each one a story, a possibility, a soft flicker of light. You drift along this river, weightless, your mind open to the infinite possibilities that surround you. Every shimmer, every spark resonates gently with your own consciousness, forming a soothing, hypnotic melody that lulls you toward deeper rest. Picture time itself stretching like a soft, invisible ribbon, holding past, present, and future in delicate balance. You float beside it, aware that each heartbeat, each breath, each thought is both fleeting and eternal. The suspense of the infinite unknown is now calming, hypnotic, a gentle lullaby inviting surrender and deep relaxation. Now imagine a nebula of pure consciousness, where thoughts, dreams, and intentions drift like glowing motes of light. Suspense here is soft and reflective, each mote a gentle possibility, each flicker a quiet reminder of your own potential. You merge with these energies, floating weightlessly, your mind absorbing their calm, expansive rhythm. Picture the universe folding gently in upon itself, galaxies, stars, planets, particles aligning in perfect cosmic harmony. The suspense now becomes serenity, curiosity transforms into gentle awe, and wonder evolves into deep, restorative peace. You feel yourself merging with the eternal rhythm, weightless, anchored, floating in the infinite, hypnotic embrace of creation. Finally, imagine dissolving completely into the cosmic flow, every thought, every heartbeat, every particle of being merging with the infinite dance of the universe. Suspense transforms into gentle anticipation. Awe becomes serenity, and wonder becomes the ultimate lullaby. Sleep now, fully, deeply, effortlessly, carried by the patient, infinite, and eternal pulse of the cosmos. And so, in this final voyage through infinite realms, the universe hums you into the deepest, most peaceful sleep of your life, weightless, safe, serene, and infinitely calm, floating through eternity, embraced by the gentle, hypnotic, eternal rhythm of existence. Now, as you float gently in the infinite expanse, imagine drifting beyond the known reaches of time, where past, present, and future fold together like soft waves in an eternal ocean. Stars stretch endlessly in every direction, their faint, twinkling lights casting gentle reflections across the vast darkness. The suspense here is soft, hypnotic, a quiet anticipation of wonders yet to unfold, inviting your mind to wander freely while resting completely. Picture yourself gliding through streams of stardust, luminous particles flowing like gentle rivers across the void. Each particle is a soft note in the symphony of existence, vibrating quietly, soothing your mind, calming every thought. Your consciousness floats effortlessly, merging with the rhythm of these cosmic currents, weightless, fully supported by the gentle, patient pulse of space itself. Now, imagine passing through a nebula, clouds of gas and dust curling like flowing silk, glowing faintly under the soft light of newborn stars. Each swirl carries mystery and suspense. What new worlds, what new stars might emerge from this cosmic cocoon? Yet the unfolding is calm and hypnotic, each moment a soft, slow revelation that draws your awareness deeper into serenity. Picture clusters of ancient stars spinning slowly in delicate patterns. Some burn brightly, others fade like dim embers, yet all are moving in perfect, patient rhythm. The suspense of witnessing this cosmic choreography is gentle, a hypnotic lullaby that pulls your mind into deep relaxation. Each orbit and pulse a soft cadence, perfectly aligned with your own breathing. Now, envision planets bathed in soft starlight, oceans reflecting auroras, skies glowing faintly with distant suns. The suspense here is magical yet calming, a quiet thrill that invites curiosity while relaxing your mind. Each planetary motion becomes a gentle rhythm, carrying your consciousness effortlessly through the vast expanse. Each rotation and orbit like a soft lullaby. Imagine drifting among invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy, sculpting galaxies in silence, creating subtle, hypnotic harmony across the cosmos. The suspense is soft, a gentle pull that draws you deeper into calm. You float weightlessly, feeling the guiding presence of these forces, absorbing their patient, eternal rhythm, surrendering fully to the soothing pulse of the universe. Picture massive black holes bending space and time, their immense gravity creating slow ripples that travel through light years. The suspense is profound, yet entirely safe, hypnotic rather than alarming. Your mind drifts alongside these cosmic giants, weightless, serene, fully immersed in the quiet, mesmerizing dance of space-time. Each ripple a note in the eternal lullaby. Now, imagine faint echoes of supernova that exploded billions of years ago, sending waves of energy softly across space. Each pulse is a delicate whisper of creation, transformation, and renewal. The suspense of these echoes is gentle, hypnotic, drawing your consciousness deeper into restorative calm. Your mind floats freely, carried by the soothing, rhythmic flow of energy across the universe. Picture the vast voids between galaxies, silent, infinite, yet full of gentle potential. Suspense lingers quietly, a hypnotic awareness that something new might emerge. And yet everything is perfectly safe. You drift effortlessly through this emptiness, absorbing the infinite patience of the cosmos, feeling secure, supported, and at peace. Now envision a river of stardust stretching endlessly, carrying particles of possibility. Each spark a soft story, a gentle glimmer of potential. You drift along this river, weightless, your consciousness opening to the endless possibilities around you. Each shimmer resonates gently with your mind, forming a soothing, hypnotic melody that pulls you toward deeper sleep. Picture time itself, stretching and folding like a soft, invisible ribbon, holding past, present, and future in perfect equilibrium. You float beside it, aware that each heartbeat, each breath, each thought is both fleeting and eternal. The suspense of the infinite unknown is calming, hypnotic, inviting surrender and weightless relaxation. Now, imagine a nebula of pure consciousness, where thoughts, dreams, and intentions drift like glowing motes of light. Suspense here is soft and reflective, each mote a gentle possibility, each flicker a quiet reminder of your infinite potential. Your mind merges with these energies, floating freely, weightless, absorbing their calm, expansive rhythm. Picture the universe folding gently in on itself. Galaxies, stars, planets, and particles aligning in perfect harmony. The suspense transforms into serenity, curiosity into gentle awe, and wonder into deep, restorative peace. You feel yourself merging completely with the eternal rhythm, weightless, anchored, floating in the infinite, hypnotic embrace of creation. Finally, imagine dissolving fully into the cosmic flow, every heartbeat, every thought, every particle of being merging with the eternal dance of existence. Suspense now becomes gentle anticipation. Awe becomes serenity. Wonder becomes the ultimate lullaby. Sleep deeply, fully, effortlessly, carried by the patient, infinite, eternal pulse of the cosmos. And so, in this timeless voyage, the universe hums you into the most peaceful, restorative sleep of your life. Weightless, safe, serene, infinitely calm, floating through eternity, embraced by the gentle, hypnotic, eternal rhythm of existence. Now, as you drift further into the gentle expanse of the universe, imagine yourself weightless, floating through the infinite darkness, speckled with soft, twinkling stars. Galaxies drift lazily across your vision, spiraling gracefully, their lights dim and warm, casting subtle glimmers that brush against your consciousness. The suspense here is hypnotic, a quiet anticipation of wonders that may appear at any moment, yet completely soothing and safe. Picture yourself gliding through luminous streams of cosmic dust, particles drifting slowly like sparkling rivers through the void. Each particle vibrates gently, carrying whispers of ancient energy and cosmic secrets. You float effortlessly, merging with the rhythm of these currents, every breath syncing with the patient, eternal pulse of the universe. Your mind begins to unwind, body softening, consciousness expanding gently with each passing moment. Now, imagine encountering vast nebulae, their clouds curling and folding like flowing silk, glowing faintly under the light of distant newborn stars. Each swirl holds a quiet suspense. What hidden stars, what hidden worlds may be waiting within? Yet the unfolding is calm, hypnotic, each movement slow, deliberate, drawing your mind into deeper serenity. Picture ancient star clusters spinning slowly across unimaginable distances. Some stars burn with soft intensity, others fade like dim embers. Yet all move in perfect, patient rhythm. The gentle suspense of witnessing this eternal dance is soothing. Each orbit, each flicker of light, a soft lullaby for your consciousness, pulling you deeper into weightless calm. Now, envision planets bathed in subtle starlight, oceans reflecting faint auroras, skies painted with soft glows of distant suns. The suspense is subtle, almost magical, inviting curiosity while relaxing your mind. Each planetary rotation and orbital motion becomes a hypnotic rhythm, carrying your consciousness effortlessly through the vastness of space, each orbit a note in the cosmic lullaby. Imagine drifting among invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy, shaping galaxies silently, forming delicate harmony across time and space. The suspense is gentle, a soft pull that draws your mind deeper into calm. You float weightlessly alongside these forces, absorbing their patient, eternal guidance, surrendering fully to the hypnotic pulse of the cosmos. Picture massive black holes bending light and time, their immense gravity creating subtle ripples across space. The suspense is profound, yet entirely soothing, hypnotic rather than alarming. Your consciousness drifts alongside these cosmic giants, weightless, serene, fully immersed in the quiet, mesmerizing rhythm of space-time, each ripple a note in the infinite lullaby. Now, imagine faint echoes of supernova that exploded billions of years ago, their energy traveling gently through space. Each pulse is a soft reminder of creation, transformation, and renewal. The suspense of these echoes is hypnotic, a quiet thrill that draws your awareness deeper into restful calm. Your mind floats freely, carried by the soft, rhythmic waves of cosmic energy. Picture the vast voids beyond galaxies, deep, silent, yet full of gentle potential. Suspense lingers quietly, a hypnotic sense that new wonders may emerge. Yet everything remains perfectly safe. You glide effortlessly through these emptinesses, absorbing the infinite patience of the universe, feeling supported, safe, and entirely at peace. Now envision a river of stardust stretching infinitely, carrying particles of light and possibility, each spark a soft story, each glimmer a gentle promise. You drift along this river, weightless, your consciousness opening to the infinite possibilities around you. Each flicker resonates softly with your mind, forming a soothing, hypnotic melody that lulls you toward deeper sleep. Picture time itself, stretching and folding like a soft, invisible ribbon, holding past, present, and future in delicate equilibrium. You float alongside it, aware that each heartbeat, each breath, each thought is both fleeting and eternal. The suspense of infinite unknowns is now calming, hypnotic, a gentle invitation to surrender completely. Now, imagine a nebula of pure consciousness, where thoughts, dreams, and intentions drift like glowing motes of light. Suspense here is soft, reflective, each mote a gentle possibility, each flicker a quiet reminder of your own potential. Your mind merges with these energies, floating freely, weightless, absorbing their calm, expansive rhythm. Picture the universe folding gently in on itself. Galaxies, stars, planets, and particles aligning in perfect harmony. The suspense transforms into serenity, curiosity into gentle awe, and wonder into deep, restorative peace. You feel yourself merging completely with the eternal rhythm, weightless, anchored, floating in the infinite, hypnotic embrace of creation. Finally, imagine dissolving fully into the cosmic flow, every heartbeat, every thought, every particle of being merging with the eternal dance of existence. Suspense now becomes gentle anticipation. Awe becomes serenity. Wonder becomes the ultimate lullaby. Sleep deeply, fully, effortlessly, carried by the patient infinite, an eternal pulse of the cosmos. And so, in this eternal drift, the universe hums you into the most peaceful, restorative sleep of your life. Weightless, safe, serene, infinitely calm, floating through eternity, embraced by the gentle, hypnotic, eternal rhythm of existence. Now, as you float weightlessly through the quiet expanse of the cosmos, imagine drifting beyond familiar galaxies, beyond the known constellations, where starlight softens into gentle luminescence and time stretches in infinite waves. The universe feels alive, yet peaceful, each flicker of light and shadow carrying quiet stories that beckon you softly. The suspense here is hypnotic, a gentle curiosity, inviting your mind to wander freely while your body relaxes completely. Picture yourself gliding through luminous streams of stardust, particles flowing like soft rivers through the void. Each particle vibrates quietly, carrying the whispers of creation and ancient energy. Your consciousness floats effortlessly, merging with the rhythm of these currents, every breath syncing with the patient, eternal pulse of the cosmos. Your mind unwinds gently, your body softens, and each moment stretches into timeless calm. Now, imagine passing through vast nebulae, their clouds curling and folding like flowing silk, glowing faintly under the soft light of newborn stars. Each swirl carries quiet suspense. What hidden stars, what hidden worlds may be waiting within? Yet the unfolding is calm, hypnotic, each movement deliberate, slow, drawing your awareness deeper into serenity. Picture ancient star clusters spinning slowly across unimaginable distances. Some stars burn brightly, others fade like dim embers, yet all move in perfect, patient rhythm. The gentle suspense of witnessing this eternal dance is soothing. Each orbit, each flicker of light, a soft lullaby for your consciousness, pulling you deeper into weightless calm. Now, envision planets bathed in subtle starlight, oceans reflecting auroras, skies painted with soft glows of distant suns. The suspense is delicate, almost magical, inviting curiosity while relaxing your mind. Each planetary rotation, each gentle orbit becomes a hypnotic rhythm, carrying your consciousness effortlessly through the vastness of space. Each movement a note in the cosmic lullaby. Imagine drifting among invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy, shaping galaxies silently, forming delicate, hypnotic harmony across time and space. The suspense is soft, a gentle pull that draws your mind deeper into calm. You float weightlessly alongside these forces, absorbing their patient, eternal guidance, surrendering fully to the soothing pulse of the cosmos. Picture massive black holes bending space and time, their immense gravity creating subtle ripples across light years. The suspense is profound, yet entirely soothing, hypnotic, rather than. Your consciousness drifts alongside these titans, weightless, serene, fully immersed in the quiet, mesmerizing rhythm of spacetime, each ripple a note in the infinite lullaby. Imagine faint echoes of supernova that exploded billions of years ago, their energy traveling softly through space. Each pulse is a delicate whisper of creation, transformation, and renewal. The suspense of these echoes is gentle, hypnotic, drawing your awareness deeper into restorative calm. Your mind floats freely, carried by the soft, rhythmic waves of cosmic energy. Picture the vast voids beyond galaxies, deep, silent, yet full of gentle potential. Suspense lingers quietly, a hypnotic sense that new wonders may emerge. yet everything remains perfectly safe. You drift effortlessly through these spaces, absorbing the infinite patience of the universe, feeling supported, safe, and entirely at peace. Now envision a river of stardust stretching infinitely, carrying particles of light and possibility, each spark a soft story, each glimmer a gentle promise. You drift along this river, weightless, your consciousness opening to the infinite possibilities around you. Each flicker resonates softly with your mind, forming a soothing, hypnotic melody that lulls you toward deeper sleep. Picture time itself, stretching and folding like a soft, invisible ribbon, holding past, present, and future in delicate equilibrium. You float alongside it, aware that each heartbeat, each breath, each thought is both fleeting and eternal. The suspense of infinite unknowns is now calming, hypnotic, a gentle invitation to surrender completely. Now, imagine a nebula of pure consciousness, where thoughts, dreams, and intentions drift like glowing motes of light. Suspense here is soft, reflective, each mote a gentle possibility, each flicker a quiet reminder of your own potential. Your mind merges with these energies, floating freely, weightless, absorbing their calm, expansive rhythm. Picture the universe folding gently in on itself, galaxies, stars, planets, and particles aligning in perfect harmony. The suspense transforms into serenity, curiosity into gentle awe, and wonder into deep, restorative peace. You feel yourself merging completely with the eternal rhythm, weightless, anchored, floating in the infinite, hypnotic embrace of creation. Finally, imagine dissolving fully into the cosmic flow, every heartbeat, every thought, every particle of being merging with the eternal dance of existence. Suspense now becomes gentle anticipation. Awe becomes serenity. Wonder becomes the ultimate lullaby. Sleep deeply, fully, effortlessly, carried by the patient infinite, an eternal pulse of the cosmos. And so, in this infinite drift, the universe hums you into the most peaceful, restorative sleep of your life. Weightless, safe, serene, infinitely calm, floating through eternity, embraced by the gentle, hypnotic as you continue to drift through the infinite cosmos. Imagine yourself gliding effortlessly through the darkness, where starlight shimmers softly and the gentle rhythm of the universe pulses around you. Every flicker of light and shadow carries quiet stories, whispering secrets of creation and transformation. The suspense here is delicate, hypnotic, a gentle anticipation of wonders that lie ahead, inviting your mind to wander freely while your body melts into weightless calm. Picture yourself floating through luminous streams of cosmic dust, glowing particles flowing like slow, sparkling rivers across the vast void. Each particle hums softly with energy, carrying faint vibrations of ancient stars and newborn worlds. Your consciousness merges effortlessly with this rhythm, every breath syncing with the gentle, patient pulse of the universe. Your mind unwinds, your body softens, and every thought dissolves into deep serenity. Now, imagine passing through immense nebulae, their clouds curling and folding like flowing silk, glowing faintly under the delicate light of distant suns. Each swirl holds subtle suspense. What new stars, what hidden worlds may emerge within these cosmic clouds? Yet the unfolding is calm and hypnotic. each moment stretching slowly, drawing your mind deeper into restful awareness. Picture clusters of ancient stars spinning in slow, perfect patterns. Some stars burn bright, others fade like distant embers, yet all move in harmonious rhythm. The gentle suspense of witnessing this eternal dance is soothing. Each flicker of light, each orbit a soft lullaby, pulling your consciousness into weightless calm. Now envision planets bathed in soft starlight, oceans reflecting faint auroras, skies painted with gentle hues of distant suns. The suspense here is magical yet calming, inviting curiosity while relaxing your mind. Each rotation, each orbit of these celestial bodies becomes a hypnotic rhythm, carrying your awareness effortlessly through the vastness of space, each motion a note in the cosmic lullaby. Imagine drifting among invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy, shaping galaxies silently, guiding cosmic evolution with infinite patience. The suspense is gentle, a quiet pull drawing your mind deeper into serenity. You float weightlessly alongside these forces, absorbing their calm, eternal presence, surrendering completely to the hypnotic pulse of existence. Picture massive black holes bending light and time, their immense gravity sending subtle ripples across the fabric of space. The suspense is profound yet soothing, hypnotic rather than alarming. Your consciousness drifts alongside these cosmic titans, weightless and serene, fully immersed in the quiet, mesmerizing rhythm of space-time. Each ripple a soft note in the infinite lullaby. Now, imagine faint echoes of supernova from billions of years ago, their energy waves traveling gently through space. Each pulse is a quiet whisper of creation, transformation, and renewal. The suspense of these echoes is hypnotic, drawing your awareness into deep, restorative calm. Your mind floats freely, carried by the gentle, rhythmic waves of cosmic energy. Picture the vast voids beyond galaxies, silent, deep, yet full of subtle potential. Suspense lingers softly, a hypnotic sense that new wonders may emerge. Yet everything remains completely safe. You glide effortlessly through this emptiness, absorbing the infinite patience of the universe, feeling fully supported, safe, and entirely at peace. Now envision a river of stardust stretching infinitely, carrying sparks of light and possibility, each particle a soft story, a gentle shimmer of potential. You drift along this river, weightless, your mind opening to the infinite possibilities around you. Each glimmer resonates softly with your consciousness, forming a hypnotic melody that lulls you toward deeper sleep. Picture time itself, stretching and folding like an invisible ribbon, holding past, present, and future in delicate equilibrium. You float beside it, aware that every heartbeat, every breath, every thought is both fleeting and eternal. The suspense of the infinite unknown now becomes calming, hypnotic, a gentle invitation to surrender completely. Now, imagine a nebula of pure consciousness, where thoughts, dreams, and intentions drift like glowing motes of light. Suspense here is soft, reflective, each mote a gentle possibility, each flicker a quiet reminder of your infinite potential. Your mind merges fully with these energies, floating freely, weightless, absorbing their calm, expansive rhythm. Picture the universe folding gently in on itself, galaxies, stars, planets, and particles aligning in perfect cosmic harmony. The suspense transforms into serenity, curiosity into gentle awe, wonder into deep, restorative peace. You feel yourself merging completely with this eternal rhythm, weightless, anchored, floating in the infinite, hypnotic embrace of creation. Finally, imagine dissolving fully into the cosmic flow, every heartbeat, every thought, every particle of being merging with the eternal dance of existence. Suspense now becomes gentle anticipation. Awe becomes serenity. Wonder becomes the ultimate lullaby. Sleep deeply, fully, effortlessly, carried by the patient, infinite, and eternal pulse of the cosmos. And so, in this celestial drift, the universe hums you into the most peaceful, restorative sleep of your life. Weightless, safe, serene, infinitely calm, floating through eternity, embraced by the gentle, hypnotic, eternal rhythm of existence. Now, as you drift further into the vast expanse of the cosmos, imagine floating beyond the edge of familiar galaxies, where the stars become faint, soft whispers of light, and time stretches into infinite waves. The universe here is silent, yet alive. Every glimmer of light carrying stories of creation and quiet transformation. The suspense is gentle, hypnotic, a soft anticipation of wonders that may appear, inviting your mind to explore freely while your body melts into complete calm. Picture yourself gliding through luminous streams of cosmic dust, particles drifting like slow, sparkling rivers across the infinite void. Each particle hums softly, carrying subtle vibrations from ancient stars and newborn worlds. Your consciousness merges seamlessly with this rhythm, each breath syncing with the gentle, eternal pulse of the universe. Your mind unwinds, your body softens, and each thought dissolves into deep serenity. Now, imagine passing through immense nebulae, their clouds folding and curling like flowing silk, glowing faintly under the soft light of distant suns. Each swirl carries quiet suspense. What hidden stars, what unseen worlds may emerge within these cosmic clouds? Yet the unfolding is calm, hypnotic, each moment deliberate, drawing your awareness deeper into restful serenity. Picture clusters of ancient stars spinning slowly across unimaginable distances. Some stars burn brightly, others fade like distant embers. Yet all move in perfect, patient rhythm. The gentle suspense of witnessing this eternal cosmic dance is soothing. Each orbit, each flicker of light, a soft lullaby for your consciousness, pulling you into weightless calm. Now, envision planets bathed in soft starlight, oceans reflecting faint auroras, skies painted with gentle hues of distant suns. The suspense is magical yet soothing, inviting curiosity while fully relaxing your mind. Each rotation, each orbit becomes a hypnotic rhythm, carrying your awareness effortlessly through the vastness of space. Each motion a note in the cosmic lullaby.